Hello and welcome all. Today in this video we are going to discuss about computational mathematics concept number 1, algorithm. Algorithm is the step by step procedure step by step procedure uh, for solving mathematical problems in a finite number of finite number of finite number of steps that often that often use the same operations to compute to perform the computation. So what is algorithm? The algorithm is the step by step procedure for solving mathematical problems in a finite number of steps that also often use the same operations to perform the computations.